Here we go. The volume is set to 0, and I'm going to increase the volume.